Bay, heading for Panama City, everybody. Are we in Panama City?
Over the bridge, we will be entering Panama City, Florida.
Right. And we're leaving the drive, enjoying it this morning. Had a great time just seeing all sights, and that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing this morning. So we have an adventure. Be out. Explore the U.S. and we're down here exploring Florida right now. Been a lot of devastation. The west side of Panama that we're getting ready to roll into, they say it got hit really, really bad too. But man, Mexico City Beach was really devastated, wasn't it?
Yeah.
They got hit the hardest. But
Yeah, right on the
west
beach, so
side,
they got hit really
check out all
hard.
the debris again.
There's some more debris.
If they're doing
This is
cleanup.
Panama City.
Yeah, they'll get Panama City back together first.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
In my opinion.
Well,
they
they're
would
working
definitely-
on Mexico City Beach, but yeah, well, look. Yeah, after a hurricane, this is what happens. You see a devastating hurricane, you see piles of debris everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Panama City is also
West side,
devastated completely.
got some little
It's
trailers
the west side. Let's see what the rest of it looks like.
parked here and there. I don't know if they're FEMA trailers. I really hope so. I don't know if they've gotten FEMA trailers down here. I've only seen like a few. I don't know if they had any in Mexico City Beach area. I didn't really see any FEMA trailers, but maybe they have them somewhere else. If anybody knows, leave a comment.
Heart goes out to all these people.
Yeah,
down in Mexico
because the
City Beach,
cleanup,
Panama
oh my
City
gosh,
Beach.
look at all that mattresses from the hotel. Look at that. Kind of slow. Some spots working.
There's an RV park.
Yeah. Not the only place people can live, a lot of people. Okay, everybody, well, we gotta stop and get some coffee.
Yes, coffee sounds very good. Very, very good.
Yeah, we gotta take a little break. Yeah, help us, Trump. Check the building out.
Building says help us, Trump, on there.
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering. What's going on here? This has been a couple months. Seemed like nothing was hardly done at all in Mexico City Beach. I don't know, maybe it took them a while to get the debris off the road.